Have you ever turned on your range hood and noticed smoke or air blowing back into your kitchen instead of venting outside? That problem is called backflow, and it usually means something is wrong with your ducting. In this video, we'll break down what backflow is, why it happens, and how to fix it so your hood works the way it should. Alright, so what is backflow? Backflow happens when air that should be going out of your kitchen actually reverses or leaks back into the room. Instead of capturing smoke and odors, the hood ends up pushing them back at you. Range hood blowers move a lot of air, but they aren't designed to fight against high pressure. If the ducting is restrictive, the airflow stalls, and the smoke takes the path of least resistance back into your kitchen. So what causes backflow? Let's start with the undersized ducts. A powerful hood needs to be big enough for a vent. For example, an 1800 CFM hood often requires a 10-inch duct. If you were to connect that to a 4-inch or 6-inch pipe, you'll create a choke point that forces the air back. So before you build your duct, it's really important for you to check the requirements of each hood. All of our hoods are going to require either 6, 8, or 10-inch ducts. Sometimes 1 or sometimes 2 transition pieces are required depending on the range hood. So before anything, please check the exact dimensions you need. Another cause can be that you have too many bends. Every sharp turn adds resistance. A 90-degree elbow can reduce airflow as much as 5 to 10 feet of straight duct. So keep bends at a minimum and avoid placing an elbow right at the hood outlet. It's important to remember duct length as well. Long duct runs weaken the airflow. The rule of thumb is no more than about 30 feet for a straight run, subtracting 5 feet for each elbow. Beyond that, your fan may not be strong enough to push all the air out. You may also pay attention to the type of duct you have, which is usually flexible or smooth ducts. The accordion-style flexible foil ducts create turbulence and drag. They're often against code, and you should replace them with a smooth and rigid metal duct. You can also have damper issues. If your backdraft damper is missing, stuck, or too small, air can flow back inside, or worse, outside air can blow in. Always check the damper at the vent cap to make sure it opens freely. Now, backflow isn't just annoying. It actually causes real problems, like smoke, odors, and heat lingering in the kitchen, grease and residue build up faster on the hood, the blower might sound louder, and you might even get outside air drafts, condensation, and moisture in your attic as a result of your hood being vented incorrectly. The point is, backflow makes your range hood ineffective and can cause long-term damage to your home. But here's how to prevent or fix your backflow. Like we mentioned, use the correct duct size and always follow the hood spec sheet. Usually 6 inches for mid-range hoods or 8 to 10 inches for high-powered ones. Keep your ducts short and straight. Plan the shortest route possible with minimal bends, as well as limiting the amount of elbows. No more than 2 90-degree bends, and keep at least 18 inches of straight duct before your first turn. Remember to use rigid smooth ducting. Always replace flexible foil with solid metal. And don't forget to check your damper and vent cap. Make sure the flap opens freely and matches the duct size. And finally, consider makeup air for very powerful hoods, especially in tight homes. Cracking a window or installing a makeup air system might be what you're missing to have a balanced airflow. Backflow is simply your hood telling you the ducting isn't right. By correcting the size, length, turns, and damper setup, you'll get a smooth airflow and keep your kitchen clean, fresh, and safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement and ventilation tips. If you're ready to find the perfect range hood for your home, please visit us at ProLineRangeHoods.com.